Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Eat My Lure. Tomorrow I am going fishing. I found me a nice cool place. It has a bunch of lily pads, and this is what I'm going to be using. Sorry for the glare. LUNKERFROGS. Different colors, different sizes. You can see the size difference. I got some more string I'm going to do, and some grease and oil for my fishing rod. It's getting kind of slow. So this is what I'm going to be using. I got some good hooks. I got this cool bag, Wild River. God, this thing has so many pockets. I got this right here. Toenail clippers to cut my line, whatever. And you got this area right here. It's got more hooks. There's another camera in there. If you look in this bag, this used to be a flashlight. It used to be a light, but it broke. It didn't work anymore. It flashed green and all that stuff. It's pretty cool. I could probably fix it. It's hard to open this with one hand. Sorry, everybody. Pretty deep bag. Just got all my stuff in here for fishing. I got water in here. I got insect repellent. Got some spray lotion. My fishing license is in here. Emergency toilet paper is in here. Got so many pockets on it, you know, that's nice. Got some lures in here. We'll try these tomorrow. Sorry, I didn't mean to cover it up. Try that tomorrow. Got a tape measure in here. I can measure the fish. Only thing I don't have is a scale. Then turn it down on the side more. This is where all my lures are. So I need to reorganize them. It's kind of messy. I'm going to put these frogs in here. I gotta straighten it up a little bit better. But tomorrow I will hopefully film some more. Hopefully catching something. Love these things. These things are awesome. These things are doing awesome. If I can get 200 likes, if I can get 200 likes on my channel, I will give away something. So be looking out for more videos upcoming of fishing. Talk to you later. Bye.